Hey guys, hope you're doing awesome. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new here, you are welcome. If you're already part of this fam, thank you so much for joining me again today. Really appreciate you. You know that already. So today's video is going to be my set bag essentials and also things that I feel are important to have in your set bag if you're working on set, if you're a makeup artist that works on set. Yeah, let me go straight into the video. Here is my set bag already packed. I'm going to unpack it and share with you guys what's in my set bag. Let's start with the bag. This is the Monda Studio set bag, the small one. I really love it. The material is really thick. Totally love it. I've had it for quite some time and we're still here together. Strong. I'm going to start with this pocket. I have oil because you never know, someone might need this, you know, ashy hands, elbows, shoulders, legs, always comes in handy. I also love to have my water with me in a spray bottle and a hand sanitizer. That's common sense, hand sanitizer. This other pocket has facial tissues. Very important when on set. It's always good to have facial tissues with you. I also have Vaseline in there. Very important to have with me in my set bag for dry lips. Just, it always comes in handy. You never know. So done with the pocket. Let's get into the bag. When shooting on location, especially outside, it's always good to have sunscreen. Very important. I've had scenarios where this one came in handy, and I've had those that I've never even touched it, so it's always good to just have it in the bag. I also love to have good old moisturizer. Again, it works with the body oil. Sometimes I use the body oil, sometimes I use the moisturizer for the body. Wet wipes. Yes, I always carry wet wipes on set. I just have to have wet wipes. Yes, you never know. Things happen. And these ones always come in handy. I also do carry the small ones. Actually, if I'm on location and I have to carry the bag with me, I tend to go for the smaller ones because you don't want the bag to be heavy. Next is this small bag. This is a small bag that carries the essentials or what I used on, let's say, the actor or the actress that is on set. So it will have brushes, a powder brush, a foundation brush, and then lipstick brush and a smaller fluffy brush. I love to use this smaller brush for tight areas like under the eye areas. I would also carry the powder that I used on them for touch-ups and also the lipstick that I used on them because you never know, things happen, things move around sometimes, so it's always good to have the lipstick for touch-ups. If you're working on 3 actresses or let's say 3 actors or 3 models, it's always good to separate the brushes and the products used to avoid confusion. So that's why I pack them separately. So if I had like 3 people, I would have 3 bags in here like this. The other thing that I always carry is a loose setting powder. I love to have a loose translucent powder. An anti-shine powder as well that cuts across all skin tones, and just have different brushes for the different models or actresses or actors. Let's just call them subjects. And that's why I always have this in my set bag. If I'm working on location, let's say it's outdoor, I always love to have an umbrella with me because if it's hot and they are, let's say, on standby, it's always good to just cover your subject, your model, your actor, actress, just cover them, shield them from the sun. Yes, so that's something I would add if it's an outdoor shoot. Yes. One thing I love about this bag is the pockets that it has. I love to use this back pocket to just throw in my dirty facial tissues, dirty wet wipes, just put them back here. It's way easier because you can't just go around littering, you know. So that's why I love this one. So that's it, I think. Oh, I forgot to show you something. I also carry, very, very important, I carry Q-tips, and I also tend to put in some wedges, just clean wedges, because you never know, anything can happen and you might actually need them. So very important to have Q-tips with you in your set bag. That is my set bag. I normally change it up depending on what's going on, but these are the basics. This is what I must have in my set bag. That is it for me. That is what is in my set bag. If you are a makeup artist, share with me what's in yours. I'd love to know. So yeah, that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one, and until the next one, peace, love and makeup.